Some in the realm of the cat seers worship the sun god as the focus of their spiritual life. The summer solstice marks their biggest ceremony, and they travel from near and far, young and old, to the main temple high in a mountain in the kingdom of Solaire. They show their sun symbol tokens to the gatekeepers at the 3 gates. And the master of the temple welcomes them inside. They offer prayers and prostrations, then chant, their voices rising in song as they wait for the sun to rise. Some say they feel as if they float into the sky. Others swear they see a vision of the sun god himself.